1965 Pontiac GTO here, two-door hardtop. Now, first of all, as far as GTO, yes, this is the real deal. Do have PHS documents on it. There'll be pictures in with our still pictures of those PHS documents, and I'll give you the location where you can see those on our website here in just a bit. Now, as far as underneath the hood, 389 tri-power car. So this would be the high horse GTO in 65, and it is confirmed on the PHS docs that this is a tri-power car. Better yet, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, so the right setup on this car. Also has power brakes. As you can see, it's kind of a deep midnight blue. It has had a repaint. This was originally a black on black car. It is now blue on blue. And you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, the engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Look up and down the side of this car. It's not full of nicks, dings, and scratches. Now, I will tell you there is some age to the paint, and there's a few spots where it's kind of checking. And you can see some imperfections in the hood. Is it a trailer queen by any means? No. But does it still show nicely, have a decent luster to it? Yes, but there are imperfections in the paint. One other thing I want to tell you is we do have technicians in our shop that go through the cars, drive them, going to come up with a checklist. And you're welcome to call and talk to a sales associate and go through that and maybe have them put their eyes on it too, give you their opinion as far as the paint. So bucket seats, 4-speed on the floor there. I did have the wipers working. It appears to be the original radio. I did not have that working, but yeah, dash and everything. Very original look to it, except for the color change. I wanted to note there was a spot in the headliner where it does have a hole. Make you aware of that. With the visor flipped up, it's not as easy to see. One spot where it's talking about checking of the paint. You can see it back here, and there's kind of a similar spot on the driver's side also. But you can see a nice reflection of the paint to the wall behind me. Chrome and bright work, looks pretty original. So it's not like it's been re-chromed or redone. Chrome and bright work looks pretty original on it. So yes, that does show it's a few years old. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation to where you're located at. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in it. Check in any other questions you may have. Here's that other spot I wanted to point out. Kind of right there. A little checking of the paint. Again, take a look up and down the driver's side. I mean, you can see, again, the reflection and decent luster to the paint. It's just shows it's a little older, but definitely a lot of positives going for this with the 389. It is the correct era. It is a WS, I believe it was, and there'll be pictures of that also in with the still pictures. Cannot confirm whether or not it is numbers matching, but we do have the PHS docs. I can confirm that this was originally 389 tri-power 4-speed car. All right, let's go ahead and start this one up. It is a little cold-blooded. We're going to let it idle a little bit here, get it warmed up. So let's start her up. I had it running just a little bit ago, so it shouldn't take a whole lot to warm it up. But just give it a second here. I did have the blower fan also working. Again, the radio, I did not. Warmed up a little bit. Wipers, while I'm in here, I can show you high speed, low speeds actually both worked on that. I think it was 2-speed. Let's check them out. Yep, there's low. There's high, so wipers were fine. Nice sounding car. It seems to run smooth, and we're going to pop the hood and check it out here in a second too. Alright, I think we'll be fine. She's warmed up a little bit. Nice, that door closes. Slip around to the back. Nice sounding car. And remember, Remember, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. They'll be undersides, trunk, interior. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. All right, I'm going to slip up here. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood pops and check out the engine bay. All right, very original looking underneath here. Like I said, power steering, or excuse me, power brakes. New alternator on it. There's your tri-power setup. Again, smooth running engine, good oil pressure. It is correct air, I can confirm that. I've not been able to confirm numbers matching, but true 389 tri-power car with a 4-speed. 65 GTO PHS docks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.